Hey guys, it's Jason again. So my last video when I was working on rebuilding that shelf there on the left side of the boat, between varnishes, I needed something to do. Like, it's a couple hours. So I was like, oh, I mean, my steering's pretty stiff, so I'll check that out. Which basically led to me taking the steering cable off and trying to disassemble it. So I have the steering cable here laying. It's pretty long. It's like 18 feet long, and it's pretty jammed up. It is stiff. So the only way I can get it is if I hit it with a hammer. So I'm going to try a little technique that I learned from Dang Marine, another YouTuber in Australia, and basically use a piece of pipe or a hose over top of the shielding on the outside of the sleeve, and then you use compressed air to push oil through the whole cable and help lubricate it, and sometimes you can extend its life by a little bit. So if I can extend the cable's life, since they're quite expensive, they're a couple $100, so maybe extend it just for the end of the year and then buy a new one next year, then that would be great. So I'm going to try that. Here we go. Yeah. Bingo. Air hose parts. Is it this one that I need? So I found it. These clamps will all do, and I'll just take this out and put this on there. This is a stupid idea. Let's see. Then we'll need a way to hang this up, I guess. We'll just hang it up on this here. I'm actually hearing some air. Nope. Just the wind. Good. Just gonna try something different now. Maybe use some brake fluid. Should be able to get into any crevice. So now I'm inside the boat, looking at the helm where the steering cable connects. And when I was taking it off, it seemed like it was a little wobbly, and I'm not sure if that's... probably should take it apart and see if that needs some repair as well, I guess. Old-fashioned way. Things from there. That one's working a little bit. As per normal, I did work off camera. I basically just got the steering off. From what I can see, there's actually a crack that it's broken. Yeah, so it's about time for a new helm. The lubrication that I did, that didn't work. Nope. But in the process of taking the cable out, I found that hard to move cable actually cracked the helm. So what I got was the rack steering system. So this is a rack and pinion, as mentioned, by Seastar. So this is the old one here, and I had to use a hammer to close that one, the new one. You know, it couldn't have just been the same, right? I guess I can do it this way, and then it would be the same, for fuck's sakes. There.
Looks like they built these with some sort of standard. Always screws or you don't fucking want one to be.
Just needed the Phillips. It's also 40 degrees out. Well, it's 32, but it feels like 40. This is a perfect time to be stuck in a tiny little compartment. Looks like a socket set would help.
Fuck, it's hot, eh?
Let's see if we can make this work. Oh, come on, they're both 7/16. Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's warm. So the problem is here that the helm actually, the hole for the helm to go through isn't lined up with this plate. So I'm going to see if I can just shift this plate up a little bit. See if that works. Looks like I'm going to have to drill a couple new holes here. They don't quite line up so the helm can go through the dash. Doesn't seem like it's going on very good. Okay, so now we need to muscle that cable back down to the power assist ram.
Oh, so nice.
Did I mention it's really warm? Okay, so this is all nice and tightened up, and now we just got to finish feeding the cable through the yoke drive. So we gotta tighten this bolt down here to attach it to the hydraulic cylinder. And then we just line this up here, if I can get that back, and put the pin through. Of course it's not going to line up yet. There. The helm cover, this little extension. This is the time when I need to make sure I have the tools that I need.
Where did I put that damn Phillips?
Why are people still using Phillips head screws? Get the nice steering wheel back. They gave us a new key. Keys over on this side. Put this on. There we go. Let's tighten her up. Are you serious? Wow. Plus power. That's beautiful. Beautiful.